We're looking at the Planning tab. Since this is a Google Sheet, multiple people can work on it at the same time. One or more people start brainstorming and filling out their ideas for how to articulate the conflict that the organization or department addresses. The same thing happens for the destination that you're trying to reach, and again for the stakes. At any point, you can choose which of the statements you want to use by putting the number 1 inside the columns on the left. That text block will then show above as your proposed winner for that element of your mission statement. When you're happy with your selections, press the button to promote your choices from the proposed text to the text that will be carried forward for the rest of the process. Now we're on the Mission Scoring tab, where we get to ask ourselves each of the quick check questions and evaluate whether our statements achieved their intended purpose. Each section within the mission statement course gets its own score based on how many of the quick checks that we've passed. More importantly, by putting a 0 for any question, we know what we have to go back and fix. We can do that later, or we can go back and fix it right away. Pushing the Planning button up top takes you back to the prior step, where you can either edit or create additional text blocks, or change your selection. The red bar lets you know that your proposed text and the published text are out of sync and that you need to republish.